The story of Perry and Jean in the ancient times. In a beautiful heaven, there lived a lovely fairy named Parvin. She was happy in her heaven, but she had a desire to see the other parts of the world. One day, Parvin decided to leave her heaven and explore the world. She flew with her wings and entered a new world. There, she met a Gene named Jalal. Jalal was a powerful Gene, but he had a desire in his heart to make a friend. When he saw Parvin, his heart filled with happiness. Parvin and Jalal started talking to each other, and soon they became good friends. Parvin took Jalal to her heaven and showed him around, and Jalal took Parvin to his magical world and showed her his powers. One day, Jalal said to Parvin, "Parvin, I want to take you to a magical place." Parvin said, "I'm ready, Jalal." Jalal took Parvin to a magical place, where the beauty of the place filled Parvin's heart with happiness. There, Parvin and Jalal played games together, and they were both happy in each other's company. The friendship of Parvin and Jalal grew stronger with each passing day. They were happy to be with each other, and they never wanted to be apart. And so, the friendship of Parvin and Jalal remained forever.